There are tons of uses and use case scenarios for distilled water. So people use distilled water for ironing when they steam clothing and they don't want any kind of chemicals or any impurities in the water to get into their clothing. People use distilled water in aquariums. People use them in CPAP machines, baby formula, and plain just as drinking water. And this is one that I found. It's Resway American Red Cross distilled water, and I use it for a very specific reason, which I don't usually see on these types of videos, and for me that is in a cigar humidor. You don't want to use regular water in your humidor to humidify your cigars because they can mold because of the impurities inside of the water, creating humidity inside of your humidor. That quote-unquote dirtier water can cause mold. It can also change the taste and flavor of the actual cigars by putting in water that isn't completely distilled. So I buy these specifically to put in my humidor, but like I said, there are lots and lots of different reasons, and there are lots and lots of different brands, and I like this one because it is officially licensed by the American Red Cross, and this comes in packs of 12 or 24 depending on how much you need, and they are reasonably priced compared to other distilled waters. But this is a brand that I buy and that I use in all of my cigar humidors, but you could use it for lots of other reasons, and I would definitely recommend it.